This morning I'm going to go over the structures of the brain on this sagittal model, and we're going to start with the cerebral hemisphere. Here you can see the gyri. Those are the ridges or bumps. In between the gyri are grooves called sulci. And here we have the corpus callosum. The inferior portion of the corpus callosum, which is right here, is referred to as the fornix. And then right underneath the fornix you can see the choroid plexus. This area here is the thalamus. This whole area here is the thalamus. And this little brown dot in the center is the intermediate mass, or you could say interthalamic adhesion. Now, anterior and inferior to the thalamus, we have this section that looks like it's marked with a W, and this area is the hypothalamus. At the anterior portion of the hypothalamus, you can find the optic chiasm or chiasma. Here we have the pituitary gland, which is connected to the hypothalamus by way of the infundibulum. And then moving along to the brainstem, we have the bird head with its beak, which is the mesencephalon or midbrain, then the pons, and then down here we have the medulla oblongata. This structure is a mammillary body, and coming posterior and inferior from the thalamus, we've got this pineal gland. It's a little pine cone-shaped gland. And then we have the corpora quadrigemina, the superior and inferior colliculi of the corpora quadrigemina. Here we have the cerebellum with the arbor vitae, the tree of life. And you can see on this model in blue we have the superior sagittal sinus. Now, the lateral ventricles would be located here. The third ventricle is around the diencephalon. This would be the cerebral aqueduct, and this would be the fourth ventricle. Here is your spinal cord. And those are the structures of this sagittal brain model.